Welcome back to another trade recap. I'm going to be going over the 9 a.m. CRT model that played out on 20th of February 2025 during the 9 a.m. hour. So let's start off as always, marking out our, marking out our ATM range. We have our key level, which is our 4-hour order block right here. Right. We also have a 1-hour order block, which we never tapped into, so we won't bother marking that out. What do we also have? We have a daily IFEG. Now, excuse me if I sniffle a little bit. I am sick. And a daily IFEG, which is so far being respected very nicely. We have the 4-hour IFEG above us as well. Now, dropping onto the 15-minute. Obviously, basic rules. Real liquidity before CRT, right? Liquidity before CRT. We have this 15-minute high, which is our buy side level. Right, so we're looking at this high. We also have sell side, which is also a 4-hour key level, swing low. 4-hour swing low again, and 4-hour swing low again. So this is all sell side liquidity. Okay. Mind you, we also have this as well. Now, I didn't see us reaching there, but we did end up reaching it. Now, what do we look for? Look for a manipulation of the CRT high, which is this 15-minute swing high here, into a 4-hour key level or a daily key level. Now, also, we are in a premium dealing range on the 4-hour. As you can see, we had that, and then we also have, let's get rid of the executions real quick. Okay. And we also have this little range here as well, with SMT at these highs. Okay. So we're going to go on to the 1 minute. What are we looking at? What are we looking for? Whether that be pre-market or post-market open, we are looking for an order block that takes liquidity, like swing high right here. And that gets close below, causing the change in the state. Okay. We get the closure below the change in the state right here. Because it's a series of up close candles. And then we get the order block closure right here. I don't count this as an order block closure, only because it was only 0.25 pips below. I want to see at least 1 pip closures to confirm the order block. So again, this candle wouldn't have counted. It would have been this candle that closed below. Now, what do we wait for? What do we look for? We look for our 15-minute CRT. Now, we had the, I just changed for floor time frame CRT high, 15-minute CRT high. Right. We get the soup of that high, the order block, the change in the state, the close below. We get the retracement, which is the tap here. Now, yes, this is going to be very interesting in a sec, but just hang on. And the stop loss at this high. Now, these are the dangers of going into the market before 9:30. See 9:30 here? As market open. What I wanted to see was a direct push down and not get stopped out. Now, this is the interesting part. Okay, so we're targeting these lows. Sure, this is a very tight range, but look, all that matters is we had that 4 risk to reward, right? Now, I want to go over something pretty funny. I did enter here on this candle, or this candle, precisely one of these two. And this never happens, but I forgot to set my stop loss. I had executed 3 minis, and I basically got blessed. Price popped up. I did not hear order filled, and it just ended up dumping and hitting my final TP. Sometimes the universe works in mysterious ways. The fact that this is the only time I ever forgot to set my stop loss is a bit fascinating to me. But nevertheless, let's see if there was a... Well, realistically, in my eyes, there was no real valid entry here. This wick was the run on stops. We had the real manipulation and then the move down. Right, this is the dangers of going in pre 9:30. Going in before 9:30 is a risk on its own, especially when price is taking this long to, drop. And I did actually enter 1 or 2 minutes before market open. Either way, we had our partials at the midpoint, which was 1 contract, and then we had the 2 contracts down here. Now, yes, we could have held it to, say, the 4-hour swing low, bring us a 10 risk to reward. I was fully comfortable with that 4, okay? You don't need to go for huge numbers to be profitable. To me, this was just unnecessary. I didn't mind taking this here. Now, was there another valid entry if you missed this entry? Well, yes, if you wanted to play the continuation lower. We had this order block. Why is it an order block? We're not taking liquidity, but we are tapping into liquidity. What liquidity? We're tapping into this fair value gap. Okay. We're respecting a fair value gap. Can you see that? We had the order block entry, and then we also had a fair value gap entry. And yeah, so if you wanted to take a entry off the order block, entry here, mind you, we also had SMT at this high. Okay. Stop loss at the high. Targeting your draw liquidity, which either you can target these lows here, right? These lows, or the 4-hour swing low. Okay. We also had a new week opening gap in our favor, which was right here. Oops. Right here. Then NWOG. This could also be used as our key level for confluence, as well as our daily IFVG, which was being very well respected on the daily. Okay. And for our swing high, which was most precise. I like to use these for our swing highs and for our swing lows. Okay. Sorry, that was an order block, my mistake. But I do prefer swing highs and swing lows. Obviously, in this case, we did not have a swing high. So overall, that's really all I just want to get into. Now, why was I thinking about shorts? Well, one, we're in a premium. Okay. We also where's okay, we have Asia. Let me delete this. Asia begins at 20 o'clock. Okay. Just mark that, and then ends at 0 o'clock or midnight, in other words. And then London starts at 1 a.m. goes till 5. So right about there. Okay. Let's have a look at what our checklist here says. Or not our checklist, but our forgot what it was called, but our little graph. So see this? Did Asia reach a key level? Well, no. We did not reach any key level. There was no key level here. If we want to look on the 4-hour, my eyes, no key level. This is not a 4-hour order block. I'm not tapping into any FEG, no liquidity. Okay, no key level. Asia did not tap into a key level. You might like to say that Asia tapped this order block. I don't like to think so. Well, you could say that, but I don't like to use high time frame key levels in those high time frame opposing dealing ranges. What I mean by that is we have a discount array and a premium. So I will much rather use order blocks that are located beneath the 0.5 for discount for buys, okay? In this area, I will most likely look for sells, right? So Asia did not hit a key level. Okay, what about London? London also did not hit a key level. We have this 4-hour BC, not counting out because why? It's in our premium. We ended up disrespecting it. Okay. In my eyes, I would not use that for buys. So in my eyes, no, we did not hit a key level during Asia or London. So no and no. So what do we expect New York to do? We expect New York to sweep Asia plus London high and low. So if we just look at this again, Asia started at 20 o'clock, so right up here. Now, New York was very high to that high. I mean, very close to that high, right? We didn't end up sweeping it. However, given the bearish bias, the premium market, the bearish PD arrays, I would not have been too mad about this not hitting Asia highs. but the main thing was we did end up taking London lows. See, we tapped into a key level, we created the high, we created SMT, and then targeted the buy side, the sell side liquidity, which is the 4-hour swing low. Pretty simple stuff. I don't really know what to say other than that. I just wanted to sort of explain what my thing was. But yeah, I got blessed in this trade. Obviously, the trade idea was right. We took shorts down to here. Obviously, we could have wrote it much longer for a 20 RR or a 30 RR. But yeah, that was a very valid trade. So yeah, that's it for today. Not too much educational content. Right now it's just me basically recording my screen, going through these. In the future, I will obviously provide much higher quality content. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next. If you have any suggestions for me, what to go over. And I know that a lot of you have been asking what the strategy I use is, but obviously it's the Soup Room on YouTube. He has free lectures and obviously just his private students for the everyday live streaming and any questions that people have. But all you need to be profitable is those free lectures that he's uploaded on YouTube. So for now, I say goodbye, good luck, and happy trading.